Hi everyone, I'm Gayatri Bhaskar. Welcome to the special class on how to program your mind and design your life exactly the way you wanted it to be. What I'm going to share with you today is going to guarantee you to create your life exactly the way you wanted it to be. Whether it's about having financial freedom, more time, better health, new home, travel, live more purposeful, meaningful, and fulfilling life. Whatever your dreams are and however big it is, listen carefully. You can unlock it and consciously create your future. I don't know how you found this class, but I know why you are here. I'm sure you fall in the 1% of the crowd who loves to invest on yourself to uplift your life so that you can scale up your business and uplift the life of other people around you and can give the best things in the world to your family and absolutely enjoy a freedom lifestyle. I'm happy that you made a smart decision of landing here today. Listen, your mind is programmable. You can program your mind and design your life exactly the way you wanted it to be. As said by the world famous speaker, mentor, author of best-selling books, Bob Proctor, thoughts becomes things. If you see it in your mind, you will be able to hold it in your hand. You can consciously create all aspects of your life. You have the power to earn abundance of money, create surplus of wealth, quality relationships, healthy living, and enjoy peace, happiness, joy, and all goodness of this world. See, I'm the founder of an international school and I'm in the field of education for more than 15 years. But this is something that the traditional education does not teach us. If you are the person with a burning desire to achieve extraordinary things in your life, this program will help you to scale up to another level and transform your life completely. How about living a life of your design, knowing that you left none of your big dreams behind? If you are in problem, if you are in pain, struggling and fighting with life, if you are unable to make money, fail in relationships, end up in addictions and tears, remember one thing. It's not your fault. The problem is everywhere around you. Right from your childhood, through school, society, parents, media, you grabbed so many wrong imprints. That's deeply rooted in your subconscious mind, and that acts as the mental block for your progress, growth, and development. Many of our beliefs were formed in the early stages of our lives, between the age 0 to 7. Your early experiences and understandings developed a series of beliefs that have been used to unconsciously create your life so far. It has become evident that over 90% of the population have deep core underlying belief that they are not good enough, they are not worthy enough, and eventually they do not accept themselves. This leads to addictions, traumatic experiences, and general feeling of stress and unhappiness in life. In most cases, these beliefs have been passed on from generation to generation. This program is designed to change this. Our mission is to help people to uplift their own self from within. No matter where you're coming from and what your starting point is right now, I know this program will work for you. This will be your path to find the ultimate solution to create your dream life because you truly deserve a beautiful life. See, as said by Esther Hicks, an American inspirational speaker, famous mentor on law of attraction, you have the ability to quickly change your patterns of thoughts and eventually your life experience. I do not know how and why you landed in here listening to this video, But I'm sure there will be lot of takeaway, new learning, and value addition. This is surely not a motivational video, or I'm not a motivational speaker. This is a transformational program. See, the problem with motivation is it doesn't last long. The moment you listen to some motivational speech, you get motivated, but it disappears after some time, and you will be back to your regular way of leading life. But a true transformational program brings positive change from within. There will be massive shift in your belief, your perspective towards your life. That leads to changes in your everyday action. And when your thoughts, beliefs, and action change, your life gets totally transformed to a whole new level. And this Bond Leader program is one such incredible, life-changing, transformational course. So here we go. In this session, we are going to cover the key ideas on 3 things. How your mind works, how to make your mind to work on positivity so that you no longer need to suffer in life, how to consciously create your life exactly the way you wanted it to be. You know what? We are just not going to discuss about the concepts alone, but the tools and techniques that we use with our participants in our online and in-person workshop. I'm going to share some of those things with you in this session so that you get a lot of takeaways that you can apply in your life and experience rapid and instant result which works like magic. Now let's have a quick survey. You can download the survey sheet from the link below. Before we talk about where you're going to be, let's see where you are right now. I'm going to ask you guys to self-assess yourself on these 9 things on the scale of 1 to 10. 10 means you already have it. You are world-class in this level. 1 means you are not there at all. In fact, this doesn't even exist in your life. 5 or 6 means you are kind of average. All right? Now, don't worry about where you are. No one is going to see this except you. Take out a pen, take out a paper, and rate yourself from 1 to 10. Don't think too much. Go with what comes first immediately to your mind as soon as you listen. So here we go. The first thing is having a clear roadmap for your success in all aspects of your life. Do you have a crystal clear vision or roadmap towards your life? Be it your career, relationship, health and fitness, travel, financials, and almost all aspects of your life. So, where are you now? Give yourself a score from 1 to 10. Ready for the next one? Identifying one single thing that you want to focus on. To make something profound and to leave behind a legacy, it's very important for you to focus on one single thing, not running behind too many things. Do you love what you do? How strongly you feel that you are aligned with your life purpose? How strongly you tap into your inborn talent, treasure, and potential? Rate this out from 1 to 10. Giving your 100% towards your goal every single day. Many people tell us to concentrate, but nobody tells us how to concentrate on. How strong are you using your willpower? How good you are in paying undivided attention and concentration, and how strong you are at focus and giving your 100% towards your goal. Again, rate yourself from 1 to 10. Turning your thoughts to reality. How do you align your thoughts and actions with your deepest desire? How strong is your manifestation power? Rate yourself from 1 to 10. Developing positive attitude towards money. What attitude you develop towards money determines how wealthy you are. You have the same potential as the wealthiest person on this planet. You have the same power as high achievers, undoubtedly. But the whole problem lies here. What kind of belief, value, and attitude you develop towards money and how you approach it becomes the game changer. Rate yourself from 1 to 10. Understanding the set of principles followed by highly successful people. Everyone does a lot of things, but only very few succeed and reach great heights because they follow certain strategic steps. They have some systematic approach. They believe in certain way of doing things. How good you are in following the habits of successful people. Again, rate yourself from 1 to 10. Building quality, motivating and uplifting relationship with others. Relationship is one of the most powerful force on this planet that can make you or break you. It shapes your everyday life in countless ways. How is your relationship with people around you? Do you surround yourself with positive and uplifting people? Rate yourself from 1 to 10. Aligning with nature and spending time alone with your own self. Losing your connection with nature is equal to losing connection with yourself, but it has been completely ignored by mankind. Not in alignment with nature is equal to having a war against your own self because you cannot bring your mind, body and soul to an alignment and focus. Again, rate yourself from 1 to 10. Finally, connecting with your higher self. How strong you are in understanding how to use the most precious tool in the world, your mind. How strong you are taking righteous actions at conscious level. How strong you are to stay positive even in a negative situation. How well you can tap into your superconscious mind and access intuition, new ideas, creativity. Rate yourself from 1 to 10. Now, let's get started. Have you ever noticed few people who never spend time in schools, earn millions of dollars, own many companies, travel all over the world and absolutely enjoy a freedom lifestyle? Only very few people belong to this category of becoming successful regardless of education, wealth, family support or any other external means. Why? Because most of your goal settings are from outside. When you need to choose your career, what you are going to do in life, either you look up to some successful people and decide that there is good scope in this field, or you might blindly follow the opinions of your parents or well-wishers. In both cases, you end up searching outside and fail to look within and ask your own self. Understand one thing, guys, you need to spend time with your own self and give yourself a chance to discover who you really are. Because you are more than what you think. You are so powerful being on this world. Every individual has the capacity to design and create their future exactly the way they wanted it to be. You have the power to attract what you want because you have the same potential as the high achievers undoubtedly. As said by Joe Dispenza, the famous scientist and researcher on neuroscience, spending time contemplating who you want to be, the mere process of contemplating who you want to be begins to change your brain. Let's go a little deep and dig into the nature of your existence. Have you ever thought about who you are, where you are from, what is that you're doing in this planet, and where you are heading towards. These are very important and essential questions that one should ask to your own self. You are the combination of your body, mind, and soul. The way you align and tune them determines how well you play life. Ask your inner self and create your goal, a very clear goal. Combine your passion, talent, experience, and derive a goal for you to achieve. Because there is nothing you cannot be, there is nothing you cannot do, and there is nothing you cannot have. However big your goal is, your mind will give you solutions and ideas that you need, exactly in the order that you need. It will give you a very clear step-by-step procedure to approach a problem. The more you believe that you can do it, the faster it shows you the path towards achieving your goal. The more you use it, the faster it shows you the direction towards reaching your goal. You will have flow of thoughts, and it gives you infinite intelligence. You can activate it only through practice, through your everyday conscious actions, focus, giving your undivided attention. And that is the way of connecting with your superconsciousness. The superconscious mind is your greater awareness, and it is the source of creativity and infinite intelligences. This has been spoken by great scientists, influencers, speakers, mentors, thought leaders like Bruce Lipton, Deepak Chopra, Greg Braden, Brian Tracy, Marisa Peer, and the techniques and tools on how to access the infinite intelligence to download information, new ideas, profound thoughts, intuitions, and creativity are used by great achievers, entrepreneurs, many CEOs, and business owners. In fact, one of my favorite books, Conversation with God, written by Neil Donald Walsh, was completely written using his superconscious mind. The author Neil said that his whole book was written based on what he heard through his mind voice. Your thoughts are so powerful. If you can hold it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. But the question is, what is that you hold it in your mind, right? I will help you to fix this. Do this activity. I will share some of the strategies, tools, and techniques that we use in the Born Leader program. Download the activity sheet or take a sheet of paper and make 4 columns. And give the title as My Body, My Home, My Relationship, My Work. Below each heading, take time, think well, and write what exactly you want it to be. For example, under My Body, you may write, I want to return to my ideal body weight. After writing this, start with why. Ask yourself why you want to return to your ideal body weight. Maybe the answer is because I will look good in that weight, or I will wear some of my favorite clothes. Likewise, spend time alone and ask your own self and figure out what you really want in each aspect of your life and why you want it. This activity is so powerful that it will help you to discover who you really are, what exactly you want to achieve in your life, and design your future exactly the way you wanted it to be. This will be your first step in consciously creating your life. This strategy is the powerful one. It's been mentioned in the New York Times best-selling book, Ask and It's Given, which helps in learning to manifest your desires, written by Esther Hicks. I suggest you to pause the video here and do the activity right now, because only then you will experience how powerful it is. and what kind of changes it brings in you. You can download the activity sheet in the link below. Now, let's move on to the next part. Now that you have a clear idea on what you want, so we can now start focusing on how to get there. Think about people who are involved in creative work like artists. They need to have a very clear positive thoughts on what they are going to create. Only then they end up creating an incredible art, isn't it? In the same way, you need to have a very clear positive focus on how you're going to consciously create or craft or design your life. Because a negative mind will never give you a positive life. Let's understand a little bit more about how your mind works. The main job of your mind is to ensure that you have a long and happy life. So it always looks for what causes you pain and keeps that away from you. For example, if you touch something that hurts you, then the next time you would be much careful handling it, right? Or if you tell your mind that you do not like to eat or do something again, then your mind's primary job is to keep you away from that. Your mind looks for what causes you pain and avoids that from the rest of your life. First, you make your belief, and then those beliefs make you. If you are constantly in the negative state of thoughts, feelings, and emotions, you definitely can't have a positive life. If you constantly say, hey, this work is boring, terrible, tired, then you will create hurdles for your job. Sometimes you even develop headache, fall sick because your mind and body reads that as if you dislike to do that work and does all possible things to keep you away from that. On the other hand, if you tell your mind that you love to do something, it's your passion and you really want to do it, then your mind will give you immense amount of energy. It will keep you active, energetic, and motivate you to work on it and will support you in all possible ways to achieve whatever you had chosen. You know what? You don't require money to make money. Despite of your qualification, family support, investment, or any other external resources, you can become successful just by choosing your thoughts, words, and actions. It is very important to ensure that you discard all negative thoughts from your mind and change that and replace it with positive thoughts. For this, I will tell you a very simple yet very powerful strategy to discard all your negative thoughts and change that to positive ones. This is an ancient technique called as Vasana Tantra, which was followed by great saints and monks for ages. Even today, it's been followed in many monasteries all over the world. This helps us to let go of stubborn memories and impressions out of the subconscious mind and allows us to take the lesson from the experience. You just need a pen and a paper to do it. Choose a silent place where no one will disturb you. Think well. Write what all you want to eliminate from your life that causes you pain, that hurts you, disturbs you, makes you feel bad, makes you cry. Ask yourself, think well, and write everything carefully. This activity works like magic if you do it with faith. So, with firm belief, write all that you feel that bothers you and holds you back from growth, development, and progress. Once you have written it down, burn it in fire. Maybe you can use your sink in the washroom to burn and flush those ashes because that is something you do not want to carry around with you. You need to let go of it. Trust me, after doing this, you will see a great difference in yourself. You will feel very light and peaceful. It is a very profound and powerful method to let go of your stubborn memories and impressions out of your subconscious mind. You remember the law of thermodynamics? Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, it can only change forms. The same thing we do it here with this activity. Everything is energy. Those negative thoughts that was ruling you is also a form of energy. We move those from your mind to the paper, and from paper it was burned and made as ashes and totally discarded it from you. Now you no longer have to worry about it. The next step, all you need to do is you need to take a fresh sheet of paper and write all that you want. State all your desires in present tense. Keep it short, specific, and in present tense. This is the best way to know what you really want and to reprogram your mind. Write as if you already met your desire and add an emotion of how you would feel if you accomplish it. For example, instead of writing, I receive a promotion in my job, write it as, I'm so excited for being promoted at work. Imagine the feeling that you would experience when you attain your desire. Likewise, write all your desires from all aspects of your life. Finally, end with gratitude. When you get into the state of gratitude, you will line up your vibrational energy to receive your desires. Thank the universe or your higher self or the superpower that you believe that helps you and guides you. Thank and appreciate it. I suggest you again to pause the video here and do the activity right now. Because only then you will experience how powerful it is and what kind of changes it brings in you. Trust me, guys, most of the students of the Born Leader program highly appreciated this technique, knowing the positive changes that it brought in them. So, I really don't want you to miss this. This is one of the remarkable technique to reprogram your mind for success. Just imagine you are making a greeting card. There is a difference in the card that you buy from a shop and the one that you create on your own, right? The one you create on your own is much more powerful than buying from the shop, because you put your efforts, add emotions, and write from your heart. Similarly, you're doing this activity involving your heart and soul into it. So it can never go wrong. It is one of the powerful technique to change your mind from negativity to positivity. Most of the time, you're trapped in a kind of vicious circle of pain and experience. Your previous experience causes you pain, and in turn, the pain again causes you a bad experience. So somehow you need to break that to create a positive life. It is very important to monitor your thoughts. Think where your attention goes. Do you really focus on what you want in your life? Definitely no. Most of the time, you focus on what we lack: fear, anxiety, envy. Until we fix our thoughts, words, and actions, we can't fix our life. Do you really think that your life is to struggle? Do you think the purpose of life is just to work, pay bills, and die? What you are right now is only because of the choices you have made or failed to make. The fact is, we are systematically destroying our environment and creating struggles and problems to our own selves. You know what? We are living in the world of duality, where there are two opposites for everything. Good, bad, hot, cold, wet, dry, positive, negative, fear, love. Most of the time, you choose to live based on fear and not love. Most of your education, your career, your family, most of it runs based on fear. Fear of loss of job, fear of paying bills, fear of uncertainty, fear of losing reputation, fear of failure. Most of the time, we operate from fear. But this has to be changed. As the powerful motivational speaker Tony Robbins says, no matter how many mistakes you make or how slow you progress, you are still way ahead of everyone who isn't trying. Imagine you operating from love. You set your goals from within and working on something that you are truly passionate about. Then you love what you're doing, which means you are no longer working, you are in the state of being. You enjoy what you do. In such situation, if you operate at this level, you become the legend or leader in what you choose to do. You can create a product or service such profound the universe has never seen before. And that's the Born Leader program is all about. Our training program has a systematic approach to move you from the competitive plane to the creative plane. This program will help you to discover your inborn talent, treasure, and unleash your potential. You can live the life of your choice. You can design your life, almost all aspects of your life, exactly the way you wanted it to be. We help you to operate from your superconscious level, fixing your conscious and subconscious mind. Make life work for you rather than working against you. The results of this program are so amazing. People from different walk of life and different age group made the best use of this program. Check out these feedbacks that we got from the students of the Born Leader program. This is from Dr. Nagaraj, principal of an engineering college. He says, before joining this program, I thought I was a well settled person holding a secure job and earning a decent pay. But the Born Leader program disrupted my belief completely. And I figured out what I was doing was not my passion at all. This program helped me to dig deeper into my inner self, and I discovered my true passion of becoming a scientist. Now, my life goal is to do something profound and give back to my nation. This is from Harish, who has done Masters in Business Administration. I was working in the field of e-commerce and administration. Though I was passionate about starting my own business, I wasn't able to do it because I did not have enough money for that. The Born Leader program made me realize that time and my innovative ideas are the major investment for me to become an entrepreneur. I gained clarity on business approaches, and that gave me confidence and courage to move forward chasing my dreams. Wow. Listen, guys, this program helps rapidly to turn your goals into reality. This is another student, Akash. I lost hopes in life and I was at my lowest point of life when I took the Born Leader program. But this program helped me to discard all my negative beliefs that was pulling me down. Now I figured out a specific goal and I'm completely geared up to take responsibility of my life. Amazing, amazing, isn't it? I'm really getting excited reading these feedbacks. Here is another feedback from Hari Babu. I am currently preparing for civil service examination. That was always my passion and the burning desire. I used all the strategies and techniques of the Born Leader program to program my mind for success, and I cleared my preliminary round. And I'm confident enough to face the main exam. Now, let me explain you quickly about the major things covered in this program. You will have a clear roadmap for your success in all aspects of your life. The range of tools and techniques used in this program will help you to dig deeper and create goals from within. You will identify one single thing for you to focus on, because running behind too many things will not help. So we have powerful set of strategies that will help you to tap into your inborn talent, potential, and brings out things even what you are not aware of. You will learn how to give your 100% towards your goal every single day. Right from your childhood, people tell you to concentrate, but no one tells you how to concentrate. Here you will learn how to focus, concentrate, and give your undivided attention to what you choose to do. You will clear all your negative thoughts and become really strong at the manifesting power. You will be able to turn your thoughts into reality. This is something that no university or school education teaches us, but highly essential for life. You develop complete positive attitude towards money and program your mind for abundance that helps you to create surplus of wealth. You will understand the set of principles followed by highly successful people, profound business approaches, so that you can create your strategic career path. You will learn how to handle people and build quality relationship and surround yourself with uplifting, motivating, and positive people. You will learn the importance of falling in alignment with nature and spend time alone with your own self. And finally, this course will help you to connect with your higher self and access your superconscious mind and download profound thoughts, new ideas, and insight. This program is available now. You can learn with me guiding you on your iPad, your smartphone, or your desktop. All right, now let me explain you what you will exactly get to access in this program. We have range of tested tools and techniques that brings you phenomenal results on programming your mind and designing your life exactly the way you wanted it to be. You get to access 20 high quality video lessons where I will be guiding you and explaining each concept on how to tap into your inner being and connect with your higher self and access your superconscious mind for extraordinary results. You get to access our range of activities and proven strategies that helps you to think deeply and create a crystal clear roadmap for success. You get to access a very powerful self-reflection tool that helps you to ensure that you are in perfect alignment and you are on the right track every single day in consciously creating your future. You get to access our range of extremely strong, empowering, transformational audio tracks on visualization, meditation, and affirmation that focuses on your career, money, business, relationship, health and fitness, and almost all aspects of life. Another most important information, this is not get rich quick without doing anything kind of program. We don't believe in getting money for nothing or get rich quick without doing anything. This program is meant for people who want to do extraordinary things in life, and we only want serious people who are committed and dedicated in real professional development and personal growth. I want you to understand one thing, guys. It's just not enough to wish a beautiful life and a successful career. It's very important to take action, and only then you will be able to move forward. So take that action now, and I'm sure it will transform your life. It will be the one such life changing decision. Register now to the Born Leader program. See you there. Thank you.